Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Lexus GS 350. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.